In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows was unable to complete the format error. First thing you're going to do, go here, type in cmd, right click, run as administrator. And here you want to type in disk part, press enter. And then you want to type list. So here I'm going to wait for a few seconds. So you should write the second command once you see this pop out. So now you write the second command, list space disk, press enter. And here you want to select the disk, so select disk, select the disk that you're having issues with. So for me it's disk number 1, then press enter. Here you want to list space partition. So you want to list, okay, so I wrote it incorrectly. So partition, list space partition, and then you want to press enter. So once you press list partition, now you want to select the partition. So here I will be selecting partition 1. So select partition 1 and then press enter. And now you want to format. So you would type in format space fs equals ntfs, and then you're gonna press enter and you're gonna wait for it to load. And after it loads, you can close this down and restart your computer, and this should fix your issue.